Alright guys, so I wanted to take apart this meter. There's a couple different versions of this on Amazon, but it's got Bluetooth in it. The knob is really hard to turn here. I just wanted to open it up. I bought this in Phoenix from a guy that said he buys Amazon auctions. So, I believe it's not fused anywhere at all. So if you try and test it with any kind of current, I'm not even sure that it's able to even do that. But that looks like the Bluetooth module right here. So it just sits there in the bottom. It's got to be. See what it says. BM02 2017 808 16 megahertz. Let's see, what does it say here? VSS com. And it seems strange that there would only be 3 wires going to it. VSS and TXD and VDD. Interesting. That Bluetooth required more than that. Did a really nasty soldering job. So yeah, the meter works. There's the clamp lead for the DC part. So unless there's a fuse on the other side of this thing, which I highly doubt, it would have to be pretty close to like right here. So I don't really think it's able to even read that kind of way anyway. This other one, I wonder if it's the same way too. You have the COM, the CAT. It one's got 3 plugs. I don't know why this one has a different amount. Yeah, so I don't really think you can even measure amps from anything like this. But I noticed a meter I wanted to buy today. It was like $11 on Amazon, really good deal. And it was unfused. Now, I don't think that's a problem if you don't plan on ever measuring current, or you know the current's below 10 amps. But it's nice assurance to have the fuse there, because if you accidentally do, you're going to blow up the meter. You might still blow it up anyway, but with a fuse, you'll blow the fuse instead. So anyway, I wanted to take a look at this thing and see. I'm going to probably try and maybe I'll undo it right here. Yeah, so I'm going to try and lube it up in there, but it's pretty nasty. So unfortunately, this thing's just really not well made. So part of the switch goes back in here. There's another part here that has the clicking part, and it's just not well designed. So lubricating it doesn't really do a whole lot. It's probably actually going to end up worse. So this is why I replaced it. It worked, but also I want to move away from 9-volt batteries. I don't want any more meters with 9-volt batteries. I love this one here, but it's got 9-volt battery. So I try to get doubles and AAAs. or even an 18650. I have one meter that's got 18650. So anyway, that's a look at the Bluetooth 570C meter.